Hello, AVID students. Here is a quick rundown of how to fill out your new TRF. So instead of tutorials, you will be participating in collaborative study groups, which is the CSG that you'll often see on the paperwork. So collaborative study groups will run very similar to tutorials. The only thing is that you do not have an adult tutor with you to prompt questions and to help. You will just have one another. So virtual, my VLA students will be participating in collaborative study groups on Fridays during our virtual Google Meets time. So make sure that you are there. Your attendance is required on those days, starting at 9 from 9 to 9:45. And in attendance, you will be counted absent if you are not physically on Google Meets during that time. So this handout will be required when you join us on Friday. So the subject is whatever subject you have questions in, so math, science, English. The essential question would come from the top of the notes. So if you, in science, for example, are covering atomic structure, the essential question might be that question at the top of the notes from, the worksheet or the section of the text that your answer comes from. Your original question is kind of your baseline. So it can be from your notes, it can be from an old quiz that you took, it can be from a study guide or a handout that you've gotten, but that would be the question directly from that source, and you would write the source down as well. So you could say, atomic structure quiz in Schoology could be the source. If there's a specific page number or problem on a paper document, you would write that down too. So this is the show my solution. So basically you start with your question and you work through as far as you get. So hopefully you can at least get 1 to 2 to 3 steps in, but you would map out here the process of where you get stuck. And then your specific question is, once you get to that point of being stuck, what is your question from there? So this would really be your point of confusion that you would bring to the group and address it. So it is very similar to a TRF. I think it's a little simplified, not as many sections to fill out. So we want to make sure that we are filling it out well and thoroughly so it can actually be of assistance when we form our collaborative study groups. Hopefully that helps. We'll see you guys on Friday.